Good morning, students. Today we discuss some definitions and examples on it. First definition is statement pattern. What is meant by statement patterns? We know that PQRs are called statement letters. Statement pattern is nothing but it is a proper combinations of statement letters and connectives is called statement pattern. Statement patterns are denoted by S1, S2 or A or B. Next definition is logical equivalence. What is meant by logical equivalence? Two statement patterns S1 and S2 are said to be logically equivalent if they have same truth values in their respective columns in their joint truth table. That means they have identical columns in their joint truth table. If the statement patterns is logically equivalent, then it is denoted as S1 logically equivalent to S2. Now we see one examples. P and Q is logically equivalent to negation P. In bracket, P implies negations Q. To prove these examples, we draw the truth table of the given statement pattern. Here atomic statements are P and Q. Therefore, we take two columns for P and Q. As there are two atomic statements, therefore 2 raised to 2 means 4. There are 4 horizontal lines. To take the value of P out of 4, 2 are T, T and 2 are F, F. Therefore, T, T, F, F. Second column, T, F, T, F. Now, in statement pattern, what is generated statement? Negations Q is coming from Q. Therefore, negation Q is, if Q is T, F, T, F, then negation Q is F, T, F, T. P and Q. We know that the table of conjunction, if both the statements are true, then final statement is true. Therefore, T, T, T. Otherwise, all are yeah. Now, next, P implies negation Q. P implies negation Q. In P implies negation Q, we use the table of conjunction, one-way implication and one-way implications. T, F, F. Therefore, first observe T and F. T, F, F. And all are true. Next, negation of P implies negations Q. Therefore, negations of P implies Q. P implies negation Q. Its negation is T, F, F, F. We see the column A and B. All the values are T, F, F, T, F, F are identical, and therefore we say that P and Q is logically equivalent to negation P implies, in bracket, P implies negation Q. Next, what is meant by tautology? The tautology is nothing but, in short, if we draw the truth table, last column is T, then we call it is a tautology. But by proper definition, tautology is nothing but it is a statement pattern whose truth value is true for all possible combinations of truth values of its prime components. It is called tautology. Tautology is always denoted by small t. We see first example, P and P implies Q implies Q. Now we see the example of tautology by proof by using the truth table. We see the examples of tautology. P and P implies Q, in bracket, implies Q. As there are two atomic statements P and Q, therefore there are 4 rows. In first rows, 2 are T and 2 are F. In next, T, F, T, F. Now P implies Q. Use the definition of one-way implication. If first statement is true, second is false, then final statement is false. Otherwise, all the statements are true. First observe and write the first one is that T, F, F. Next one is not T, F. Therefore, all values are T. Now P and P implies Q. First is P and P implies Q. In both there is a conjunction, and we know that conjunction both are true, then final statement is true. Otherwise all statements are false. Therefore we write the yup. Now B implies A. B means we give the name to the both column A and B. B implies A means it is a first and it is a second. Therefore T up. T up. It is not T up, but first B then A. Therefore T up, T up, T up, T up. No. Therefore it is a 2. And therefore all the values in the last columns are, all values in last column are truths. Hence given SP is tautology. Given SP is tautology. That means we draw the truth table and observe the last column. If last columns are true, then it is called tautology. Next definition is contradiction. Contradiction. What is meant by contradictions? A statement pattern whose truth value is false. One word change. A statement pattern whose truth value is false for all possible combinations of truth values of its prime component, it is called contradiction. It is called contradiction, and it is denoted by small c. It is denoted by small c. We see the next example of contradictions. The example is P and negations. Now we see the examples of contradictions. We know that contradiction means all the values are yup in last column. We draw the truth table of given statement pattern P, negation P, T, yup, yup, T, P and negation P. We know that in conjunction both the statements are true, then it is true, otherwise it is false. Therefore all values are yup, hence given SP is contradiction. Given SP is contradiction. Now next, contingency. If the given statement pattern is neither tautology nor contradiction, then such statement pattern is termed as contingency. It is termed as contingency. For example, any truth table of conjunction, disjunction, for example, P, Q, P and Q, T, T, yup, yup, T, yup, T, yup. In conjunction, TT is always T, otherwise all are yup. In last column, there are not all true, not all false. Therefore the given statement pattern is contingency. It's called contingency. It's called contingency. Okay.